tweet about the jet, the presidential jet as well.
That's what I'm saying. I was saying we inform Ghana for the.
I'm saying tweet about the presidential jet, and if you are principal, resign. If you are principal, resign. Because
welcome to the Political Run with me, the voice right on Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Angel Carbonu.
Now our Dome FM.
Yes.
Now also natural crata be a education ministry minister. Now Obama up to May 31.
Yes.
That a certain decision be on person or taking. So when take here, they will have no choice
than to strike,
than to take up the matter itself.
Okay.
Now uti en komo oba ya boss an komo in several times wholesale promotion and kwala yem parish omo in fact teacher for omo safe to say e was school bia
yes
on say ade bi ba de bia da meka
say ye kan
ade bi ba de bia da yeka I don't know why we are not worried about trend that ecoso isukusu. I don't know why. I don't know why.
National
it should be asema a hearing because a chance a check by a building de bia da meka on my information bar yan correcting my
advantage and fans
correct your money building on a problem for us and so they say then it brings issue since when I notice a Ghana it too sick kind the way drugs as for again same war second since when now we say akwada born homodio one homodio everything promotion bra ya pija de deco yes. Since when ultimately say teacher you are disengaging to the extent that how do we build our future generation with this kind of attitude and mentality? How do we do it?
In the senior high schools only observe.
How do we do it?
You observe, you don't.
How do we do it?
Select Anako Education Ministry where they should attach the utmost seriousness to this issue. And I respect and say, as Parliament resumes, Oman, this thing should find expression on the floor of Parliament.
Of course.
A serious issue. In the Education Committee in Ghana's Parliament, you have to flag this issue. It should go on record in the hands of at this point in our history, the 9th Parliament, we should summon the Minister of Education. We have to deal with this.
I'm surprised
immediately.
That and the other point they raise, political interference.
In the running
political interference. Political interference. It was for baby we medium, we entertainment space. Everywhere, political interference.
The political party capture of the
interference. Yeah, quite too much.
They've captured the state.
Yeah, quite too much. Because Omanhene, NDC and MPP.
Yes.
That's the danger. So that nipa ebinima say me party na abanti and keka omunkwa
yes.
Omunkwa na sade na friend national cake no omo ba na omudidi.
Yeah.
It's so funny. And I remember two things. I remember the last time I called Jubilee House under the previous administration.
Yes.
At the call of one person there.
Okay.
Now Miriam and MPP Akwebi. It has happened someday, but it has happened today.
Okay.
Miriam and MPP Akwebi. Now all tell me those boy teacher baby. I think say response or no if free menuma
no.
He came back to apologize. And this after it happened at one of the ministries. The person, in fact, the minister did well. In the full glare of people, all rubbishing the parliament to preview. What do you mean? Oti radio so boy chi now so baby. Now other that ministry na ya try to na you say Ghana ministry no. Ya try to say yeah. You people are funny.
Around nonsense.
You people are so funny. Yeah. And look at the country we are building. Everything the NDC is doing should be right in my sight. How? Are you normal?
How?
Everything that the MPP does is right. You are criticizing the kind of journalism work we do. We don't have a problem, but you have a problem when I point out these challenges that you have. Why? What's your problem? Why are we going on that tangent? We are one people, one country. Yesuku ni more frantic here, crowd. A better problem for us. Why? And parents, muntie. More than Monte Shia, more than say we are saying Monte dear Kobo Monia Gusu, movie say Bibia more protective of ma a sardine way find all the luxuries in life. So we don't even want us to touch them, cry. You have no idea what you are building for your future. Net parent Timinya could do a teacher for me, teacher. Young teacher for all the time we could be right. I know be not the system. We were punished duly. Who confiana could catch Mr. Darko teacher their punishment. I also know could teacher don't could teach who do what was our war teacher say Bunukran for BBC one of what you would say Ubefia you about you it you better school one himself okay there. And then also the master and then Marty me free our yes a Johnny call mamma no papa fee they worry be that challenge yeah because we don't want to go through the rudiments of life modern day generation. Do you know how people have arrived at where they are genuinely?
Or bread don't trust the process. I mean,
and the danger ahead of us.
Shortcut.
The danger ahead of us. Elder the counselor. The danger ahead of us. Sex trade is the order of the day now in this country. Most of these young girls.
Sex meaning hookups, nana.
Most of these young girls. The danger, another one ahead of us. Now, big parties in terms of gay parties, gay parties. I'm telling you, my brother. Am I any focus? Am I any concentration on your man? Openly, gay parties, openly now. Accra.
Say, a man.
Yes, I will show you the videos. And the people are patronizing it. That is how dangerous we are building the future of this country. Now, the one thing. Namunda Damosa with MPP NDC. Muntano. Debi Adameka say at that time maybe we form 5 Debi Adameka must meet you. At that time 1989 Accra Kumasi Road they say a danger zone for here you should every day. How many people can fly in and out? It's about 4,000 Ghana cedi. How many people when the buses are taking 120 and 150 and all? How many people will have that 4,000 cedis to fly? A coin from 89 up to this point, Accra Kumasi Road. And you sit and you still do MPP NDC? You sit and you don't want to be principled? Oh, yeah, man, you're sema. They be Adameka. And I want in opposition. It's the the Honorable Foreign Minister, Omo Honosa. Yes, Obi. When we start doing those things, now the Honorable Foreign Minister, Ebini. When the president of Ghana is traveling, he is able to put out all the information about his travels, all those things. Okay, can oh, yeah, man, Yosema. Any in a so and fan for so mrea. Also, on the Puduosi, your vice president for private jet. Now, on no private jet, your vice president, the Orono, a Ghana Toyana. We talk too much. I'll not dwell on those things, but we talk too much. The politicization, the optics, President Mama, catch on call for the social media, Twitter freak, what is your big casa? Yeah, maybe number 6, I read and I'm saying, Madam Casabon, I didn't air for phone. What is your casa beam? Oh, Juba. Every day, Obi tweet, Obi tweet about the jet, the presidential jet as well.
That's what I'm saying. I was saying we inform Ghana for the.
I'm saying tweet about the presidential debt, and if you are principal, resign. If you are principal, resign because no be brain politicians. I feel they should know that we know them now.